ating pong meto nga sikat na psychiatrist, ing lagyo na Dr. Carl Menninger, minsan may pong lecture about mental health. Kaya ba't na po nitang lecture ating metong karing audience, ing mengutang kaya nung nano mo, ing maging suggestion niya nung ating metong ataw, the event na suspected ating impending nervous breakdown. Papunta ka rin. Nano mo po yung suggestion niyo? Everybody, everyone, isipan da na i-Dr. Menninger, advice nala na as a preventive measure, muntala kay meto nga psychiatrist for professional help. Pero may biglala kasi sinabi na, ilakming balemo, munta ka king side na ning railroad tracks at manintun kang tawong mangailangan. And then, gawa kang paralan para asopan me. Immerse yourself in the lives of others. I'm sure this is the sure cure for a nervous breakdown, boredom, and not so good feelings. Ang ibanghelyo tamo pong yun di ngaliwang alagad nga na ning ibanghelyo, mimwala ka rin yung kapatid Juan at Santiago. James and John. Kasi ating mag-request, imara. Request na lukluk ya king wanan opo tamiras te king pamagari na ning pamagari na Jesus paluklukan na lang kindane ng wanan at kaili dening anak na kaya pong ibanghelyo ng San Marcos diretso dening adwa pero ngini king ibanghelyo ng San Mateo sinabi na ing ima bala mo ting intercessor pero kita metong account diretso dening adwa ilaring minyawad request. Sad to say, sabi ko pin, mimwala ring alagad, kaya ng alagad ning Juan ng Poy Santiago, uling, kaya sinabi da, uling according to other readings, hilamang kasi magambisyon la. Wala mo miyunahan la ba? Kanya medyo magngit-ngit la. Aunahan na lang Santiago at San Juan. Kanya makanyang yung ginutamong Jesucristo, pepakit na, pepaltoy ang alimbawa, nung makananong maging dakila at marangal. Dakila at marangal. Naitamo, mayayawos tamo, to do the same in our lives by doing so we can love Him through other people. Great, that is serving others. Itang pamanyuyo, karingaliwa, at kaya oreta ring mahulaga. Anya reflect tala po reta pigunaman tala ring following statement. Many but mismo kayong turunan ng ginutamang Jesucristo. Munang dili, we are great when we serve. That is the first one. We are great when we serve. Inya pong Pope John Paul II, Meteya, o ni Santo ne po Saint John Paul II, marakal pong ikita mo kayong television, nung makanano karakala ring pilgrims ang mumunta bang kanitakit datang katawa ng makaburol. At ita maka-impress, maka-inspire. Santo Papa, Pope John Paul II, balo tamo po in his lifetime, big suffer yung marakal, physical and moral issues. Adela na for the last years of his life. Pigsilbiyaning pisamban. Pigsilbiyaning nga pong Ginoo. At dininaning bayong lupa ing papacy. Ing lupa na ning Santo Papa through him. Anya pin sabi da Pope John Paul II, hausan da ning the Great. Wala mo Saint John Paul the Great. Well, his greatness, as somebody said, not only because of what he wrote, not only about his speeches that he gave and the incredible feats he accomplished as Pope. Alwa po ita. He is great because he truly took to heart our gospel passage for today and served his brothers and sisters. That made him great. So, if you want to be great, serve other. We are great when we serve. That's the first one. Second, let us go out from our comfort zones. Lakwantala, letang sitwasyon na komportable tamo. Anyawara na ni nga pong Ginoo na silbiantala, suyuantala, ringaliwa, at ibiyata mo yung sarili tamo. Bayo yung sarili tamo, I mean. It's them before yourself. It's them before yourselves. Hanapin, it is not that we have to do anything spectacular. Itang bala mo anang ka-extraordinary. Or kailangan mong mate, kawangis da rin martir. Para apal to mo ini, ali. Simple mo, yung pwede tamong gawan. That we look out for the good of others before our own. That is one. Potang panintunan mo itang kaya pandaring aluwang tao more than the bad things in them. That's already something. Ating sinabi na kailangan ka perasan tayo yung sarili tamo. Na suyuan tala ding tao makapaligid kay katamo. At dala tayo Kristo through humble service. Sometimes this service, sabi ko po, pwede yang gawan just a simple smile. A simple smile, a simple tap, a simple affirmation. These are simple things that sometimes we tend to neglect or do some charitable act. Kind word is another. In serving others, we can be truly fulfilled. And this is what Christ means by being the last and servant of all. Ika na yung pekatauli at servant of all. That can make you great. Karing ka maging dakila. At the end, let us reflect a story by J.K. Lani that speaks about serving others. Ini kanong great violinist, lagyunan Niccolo Paganini, great violinist. At ketang kayang last will and testament. Metong karening peka panabilin na ining marvelous violin na. Pinabili na king city of Genoa. Pinabili on the condition that it must never be played. Na ede gamitan. So the wood was of such an instrument, while used and handled, wears only slightly. Pero inyang ede gamitan, na milyari kitang violin, big decay may siraya, ngini, pang museo niya mo, pang relic niya mo, may agamit. Ganapin, the moral of the story is that this invites us to reflect that if we are unwilling to serve, we may soon destroy our capacity for usefulness. Anya itang nervous breakdown mo naman ang dinaman ko. Nung eka sumuyo, talagang kumainip ka. Nung alakang gawan, para karingaliwa, then talagang maging useless ka. The more na magdamdam ka. So basically, iniing panagkat na kekatamo ning ginutang Yeso Kristo. To be great, we need to be first, we must learn to serve. And second, let us go out of our comfort zones and serve people.